Hi, thanks for stopping by. It's so good to see you. So today we are going to be opening up the Allure Beauty Box. And this box runs $15 monthly. It's plus tax, so it comes out to about $16.05. You usually get a mix of full and sample size products, and it's usually about 6 in total. The first thing you get is a little leaflet, Carly Bible. And she picked out the products for the April Beauty Box. It's a clear plastic bag. Oh, it's ripped. Oh no, look. Typically these are reusable. This one obviously is not, since it is ripped. It would have been a cool makeup bag. You get a little editor's note, and it gives you a full list of everything included for the month, how to use it, as well as the cost. So first thing that I'm gonna pick up, since it already fell out, Briogeo Farewell Frizz. And this is a blow dry perfection heat protectant cream. And full size of this runs $24. They also have a little promo code included in the pamphlet. I'm all set with hair products, so this would not be something for me. So I'm just gonna pass this along to someone else. It's Vita Liberata Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloths. That's why they have to do beauty quizzes and be like, do you tan? Do you need to tan? We shall not waste your time with a tanning cloth that you can't use. It's $25 for a pack of 8 or $39 for a pack of 16. That's what it looks like. Slow pull. Ugh, I'm not a fan of the smell. So I'm going to try it on my inside wrist. And you're supposed to use it on an exfoliated skin. So apparently 2 is enough to cover your entire body. And don't look at me like I'm crazy. They sent it to me. I've never actually purchased a self-tanner before. Hopefully I'm not gonna like turn orange. That would be miserable. Yeah, it smells weird. I do not envy you folk that you have to do this, man. This is just it's not my cup of tea. Next up in the bag, I got a Luxie brush. And this is Luxie 231, which is a small tapered blending brush. And this runs $12. A Natasha Denona eyeshadow. Oh, all by day. All by day. I don't know what all by day means.
Oh, bad.
Ooh, this is a beautiful gold. Just gonna swatch that. And this runs $27. Sweet little, for so much money. But it does have a really good sheen on it. This is the Natasha Denona in Albade.
Oh, bad.
I really, really like this eyeshadow. It's super light, super shimmery. It looks so cute. I'm a fan of this. Next up, I have Allure Geller Inkcredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. Ultraviolet? No way. That would be so cool. I also like this little tapered bit. I don't know if you can see, really slightly tapered, but it's like perfect for putting your fingers there. Ooh, that does look like a purple. Ooh, it's a shimmery purple. Oh, say so. Look at that. That is one shimmery purple. Runs $22. So this is the Allure Geller Ultraviolet Gel Liner. I wanted to love this eyeliner. It's just too light for me. It gets lost in the gold, which is so upsetting because it is a beautiful shade right there. But once you mix it in with the gold, it kind of turns into like a weird brown color. I mean, up close, it totally looks almost purple. When I move away, it's a strange brown color. Plus the tip kept breaking off. Broke off like twice. Maybe I was being too harsh. I'm just really upset that this didn't work out the way I wanted it to. This is a no for me. I'll definitely keep trying it. Sorry. I wanted to love you. You're a beautiful color. I just don't think you work that well for me. That's all. Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood. This runs $20. This would be my first ABH product. I heard so much about it, like so much. And it's a liquid lipstick. Pure Hollywood don't look like she's going anywhere. She's looking a little light. it! There she is, the diva. I feel like a lip liner is going to be a necessity for her. Ooh, that is a beautiful shade of pink. I don't know if it's beautiful for me. I'm going to put a lip liner on because I know it's just not good. It's going to be messy. Yeah, I'm glad I put the lip liner on because I'd be like, It is a beautiful shade of pink. Like I said before, I don't think it's a beautiful shade for me. Wow, I look like a clown. Yeah, it's a beautiful dusky pink. I'm like not happy. It's just too light for me. I really do love the pink color though, so it's nothing against Anastasia Beverly Hills, just not my shade, as you can tell. I fixed it. I went in with the Bella Pure lip palette. I used the shade Envy as a base and then just did a dab of the Anastasia over the top just to lighten it up a bit. So I think it turned out really well. I'm actually really happy. I'm so smart. If you haven't seen my tribe video, I'll put it right there so you can check it out. Having a lip palette always comes in handy since you can mix and match colors and work with other colors that you have. So that was everything I had included in my Allure Beauty Box for the month of April. I spent $16.05 on the total box, and I got roughly a little over $81. I can't really give you an exact amount just because the Briogeo was a sample size, and the self-tanning cloths, I only got 2, so that was a sample size too. I'm still happy with how it came out. If you like what you've seen so far, hit that like button. If you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.